Hey there folks, Steve Christensen here from the NICRA office, broadcasting from a nondescript building a little bit west of St. Louis, where we are actually packing registration boxes for the upcoming NICRA, or the National Ice Cream Retailers Association's virtual trade show and convention. Very exciting, November 10th, 11th and 12th this year. So if you're thinking of coming, you better actually get on there and register so we can send one of these beautiful pink boxes to you. Look, it's got little messages all over the place. It's almost like a little adventure in itself. Okay, so what goes in the box. Well, if you're a NICRA member, you will be getting in your box the calendar, the 2021 calendar, a beautiful calendar with all of the, well, a lot of our members in here. You've got industry holidays in here. It's just a beautiful representation of our members in their natural habitat. That's going to go in the box. You'll also get your NICRA 2021 yearbook. This is a huge resource for a lot of our members. It's got a full listing of our active members, our retailers. It's also got a full listing of our supplier members, and we really would encourage you to support our supplier members as they support the association. You'll see a lot of them have ads in here. Give them a call, let them know that you really appreciate them supporting. And again, this is a document or a book that you'll use well into the new year. And again, if you're a NICRA member, you'll also get in your box your NICRA decal, your 2021 door decal. Very exciting, so you can proudly say you are a NICRA member. Okay, let's continue to fill the box down the line here. This is your Conecon event guide. So again, we want to thank our sponsors, Classic Mix, Lloyd, Cone Genie, Tryon Miller and Meadowvale. You've got your full agenda in the front, a lot of note paper taking here, and a little bit of a follow-up section here. I think you'll find it very helpful. Again, this is something that you'll probably refer to long after the event is finished. Okay, moving down. Next, you're going to be able to be hunkered down for 3 days watching over 60 events, keynotes, breakout seminars. You're going to need some refreshments. So we have here a small pint cooler that you can just set up beside you on the couch, on the bed, in the bathtub, and put some pints in here and just kind of snack away while you're enjoying all of the goodness that comes as a result of Conecon 2020. Moving down the line, we have our NICRA stress cone. Yes, you probably should have needed one of these earlier in the year, but if things get a little bit out of control towards the end, this is something you'll definitely use. That is in your box. Moving down the line here, probably one of the most exciting things you'll find in the box, even though it's just an envelope. This is your NICRA Bucks tickets. Now, NICRA Bucks is a program that we've been running at the convention for many years, and we basically are giving out up to $1,500 worth of free coupons to use at the show with any of the suppliers at the show. So when you get this, open it up, keep those tickets handy, because at every main stage session we're going to be calling out ticket numbers, and if you are the lucky ticket holder and you are there watching the event, hold that ticket up, type in that you've received or you've got the ticket, and we will allow you to be able to spend, again, there are about 5 different certificates totaling in $1,500 that you can use at the show. Great, great benefit. Another thing that this year we are having is a coupon card. Now, this coupon card is going to be good for up to $2,000 in supplier discounts. We'll have a special website here that you'll go to and basically access all of the trade show deals and show specials that all of our exhibitors put on. And on the back of the card is our NICRA Conecon game. Yes, there's a game. In fact, the whole event is a game. Basically, these are the points. You get 5 points for visiting a booth, but you've got to stay there at least 20 seconds. You get extra points by going to the booth again. If you download something from the booth, that's an extra 5 points. And if you send a message, it's 20 points. We've got a first, second, and third prize that's going to be pretty cool. You'll see the leaderboard change as it goes throughout the event. So make sure that you pop in and see all of our exhibitors. Next, we have our, well, it's almost like an emergency get out of jail free card. If you have any questions whatsoever about your membership, about suppliers, about recommendations, this fridge magnet is the way to go. It's got the NICRA office contact details. I probably built that up a lot for a fridge magnet, but hey, if you call once, It's worth it. Okay, you're more than likely going to be taking a lot of notes, and so, well, a couple of little sticky note pads here with the NICRA logo on it. You can never have too many sticky notes. Now, I know that many people are worried about the freshness of their breath throughout these virtual 3-day conventions, and so we have a beautifully logoed container of beautiful mints. Pop them in, give your breath that minty freshness as you continue to enjoy all of the seminars, all of the goings on at Conecon 2020. Now, every year we also have a special collector's pin. This year was designed, actually, we have a great company that works, but actually Patty on the convention committee actually helped design this one. It's a little laptop. Look at that. Little laptop, Virtual Convention 2020. You'll get one of them in there. In fact, there is a link on the website. If you'd like to order a number of these, you certainly can. You've also got your NICRA pen. Who doesn't like a good National Ice Cream Retailer's pen? I love them. And then last but not least, a couple of things. This is your convention t-shirt. In your registration, you'll put in what size you are. It's a beautiful, silky, soft shirt, and it has the 2020 Virtual Convention on the front. You've got your 2020 Virtual Convention on the back. A great keepsake for the convention. It's kind of like a concert t-shirt. You'll go back through the drawer and pick out the 2019 shirt or the 2020 shirt. And finally, a beautiful heartfelt message on the back of this welcome card by Dave Dedman, who is the convention chair for the NICRA Convention Committee. That's going in the box as well. Look, we've got a few other bits and pieces to help you get through the 3-day convention. We're very excited about this event. 3 days, November 10th, 11th and 12th. We do have a food service training session that's happening the day before, almost like a pre-convention workshop. You can register for that as well. All of the details for this event are at conecon2020.com. And let me just reiterate, we're shipping all of these boxes out as these orders are coming in now. You do want to make sure that you get your box before it arrives. So if you didn't get a chance to watch who won the Best New Flavor Award or who won the scholarships at the awards banquet, if you didn't get to watch one of the seminars because you were in another seminar at the same time, or you couldn't make the event live because you have a day job and this is your side hustle, then the whole event will actually be continued to be accessible for 30 days after that. All of the details at conecon2020.com, and we look forward to seeing you on the inside.